I'm super excited to show you Mobile Moolah, your all-in-one solution for making money online safely and quickly from your mobile phone. Once you've activated Mobile Moolah, you can get paid while you do things on your phone. No matter what you're doing, Mobile Moolah will continue to churn out income in the background as you use your phone. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor for you to follow only 3 easy steps anyone can do even from their mobile phones. Do you think I'm kidding? Well, let me show you. Step 1. Find your profit. Yes, guys, the first strategy you should apply as an affiliate is going to where the money is. That is, find a profitable affiliate product to promote. We call it Find Your Profit. And here inside Mobile Moolah, we have it for you on a silver platter. What you see here inside the Mobile Moolah Profit Finder dashboard is an easier to handle ClickBank product marketplace. ClickBank is considered the easiest and most profitable affiliate marketing platform to work with, and we have made it possible for you to find profitable affiliate products to promote in just seconds. Here you can preview all of the ClickBank products available in real time and be able to sort all of them at the same time by many different parameters, which will let you find in just seconds the perfect affiliate product to promote as an affiliate. If you want to go into a specific niche, you can do so by picking a ClickBank category of your choice. And if you would like to take a look at the sales page, you can do so by clicking on the product ID. Step 2. Build your website. Now that you know the perfect product or products to promote, you need a place where people can view those products to be able to purchase them, right? For that, you can't just send people to the product sales page. You need to attach your ClickBank affiliate ID to that sales page, right? But not only that, you need to pre-sell that page first. Pre-selling is a high-converting affiliate marketing trick which has been proven to work, and that is something we will also cover a lot more inside the VIP training we have already created for you. So, for creating those pre-sale pages, we need a website. And here inside Mobile Moolah, we have created something you won't find anywhere else online. Here, inside the Mobile Moolah website builder, we have created an easy-to-handle, professional, and terrific quick alternative to this. You just need to add the topic of your choice in this tab here and click on Build Website. And what Mobile Moolah will do is create a 100% ads-free, professional, and updated WordPress installation in just seconds, guys. Yes, this is extremely fast. And you don't have to deal with domains, hosting, WordPress installations, themes, plugins, etc. All is already covered. If you would like to link your own domain to this website, you can do so, and we will cover that in detail inside the training too. For finishing up your affiliate website, you would need to download this affiliate template clicking here. What you are downloading here, guys, is an awesome, small, and easy-to-handle pro affiliate WordPress template with everything you need to get started. It is a small file you will need to import into your WordPress installation in just a click. Now, let's log into our WordPress dashboard. The default login is admin for username and admin for password, but you can edit it inside your profile anyway. Here we are inside our 100% ads-free, professional, and updated WordPress installation. Go to the all-in-one WP migration plugin, which comes with the WordPress installation we created, and click on Import. Click on Import From. Click on File. Look for the file you just downloaded and import it. Click on Proceed and finish it up. Refresh your page. Log in back again with admin for username and admin for password, and you are ready to go, guys. Now let me show you how to create not only one, but multiple ready-to-profit pre-sale pages at the same time in just one click. Step 3. Create pre-sale pages. Guys, please do not think I'm going to show you now the long and tedious process of creating a pre-sale page the traditional way. We have great news for you. We have automated this process to just one click, saving you a ton of work on building pre-sale pages. Inside the affiliate WordPress template you will install, we have included our Mobile Moolah plugin, which consists of a little plugin which will do all the posting magic for you. With this plugin, you are able to create not only one, but multiple ready-to-profit pre-sale pages at the same time in just one go. You just need to select the ClickBank category or subcategory to decide the niche of the products you would like to create pre-sale pages for. Or you can add the ClickBank product ID or IDs of the exact products you would like to create the pre-sale pages for. You can find these product IDs on the Profit Finder function inside Mobile Moolah. Here, of course, you will need to add your ClickBank affiliate ID, so you make sure to get paid your affiliate commissions when people buy from your pre-sale pages. Here, you can select a previously created category, or you can create a new one. Tags work the same way. And here you can add the number of products you would like to create pre-sale pages for. Let's test with 10. And what you can see right now is something absolutely awesome. What the Mobile Moolah Poster plugin is doing right now is creating 10 ready-to-profit pre-sale pages, each one containing the featured image, the post title, and a high-converting button with a call to action with my ClickBank affiliate ID already linked into it. And all of this for each and every one of the 10 ready-to-profit pre-sale pages. How cool is that? Let's take a look at the pre-sale pages we created. And there you have them. Let's take a look at one of them. And this is just one of the pre-sale pages you will be sending traffic to. And there you can see the featured image, the title, and a button with a call to action with my ClickBank affiliate ID already linked into it. Short and sweet, enough to get them excited to click on the button to know more about it. But not only these three elements are included here, guys. You can also see there are social sharing buttons, some other related posts, the ability for your visitors to add a reply, a search feature, the list of categories, the preview of more pre-sale pages showing up the featured image and title of each pre-sale page, social media follow-up buttons, some more previews of your pre-sale pages, and the footer with social icons. And of course, you can edit everything you see here, and I will show you step-by-step inside the VIP training. But what about traffic? Guys, we have you covered on that too. Yes, we have included a bonus feature here inside Mobile Moolah dedicated to autopilot traffic generation. This traffic monster is called Traffic Engine. And with this monster feature, you will be able to drive traffic to your pre-sale pages from up to 8 different social platforms, and from all of them at the same time. Yes, guys, you will be shocked on what you can do with this terrific traffic booster. And of course, we will show you step-by-step how to use it as well. Well, guys, it's impossible to cover all the power inside Mobile Moolah in just a short video. Let us grab you by the hand and show you step-by-step how to profit huge with Mobile Moolah with our VIP training. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to use an all-in-one solution for making money online as an affiliate, safely and quickly, and even from your mobile phone, then try Mobile Moolah today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.